Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 7th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary. It's binary time. And this one will be number 9859. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, double ones, here no, there no, double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes in 1, between the O's comes in 1, double ones, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then let me see. I'm stuck. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we will have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. The 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. In 3 minutes. Exactly 3 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.